you know that your chance of getting struck by lightning is 1 in 13,000? What is up, everybody? How's it going? So, did you know that your chance of getting struck by lightning is 1 in 13,000? 1 in 13,000. I found that out today, and I thought it would be like 1 in, like, who knows, you know, 50, 100, 100,000, you know, 200. I thought it would be way more than 1 in 13,000. 1 in 13, that's incredible. Granted, I don't know how percentages work, because, like, if you don't go out in the fucking rain, then, like, but, like, if you don't go out in the rain, then that percentage is skewed. But I found this out because while searching for something on the internet today, a little, you know, like the MSN news or whatever, like all the little celebrity shit and stupid, like, things you don't care about popped up. One of them was motorcyclist hit by lightning and dies. I don't know, like, if he died from being hit by lightning or if he died because he was hit by lightning and then crashed his motorcycle. One of the two. But it was like on Interstate 95, I think, down in Florida, and it was a man, I think it was a man, motorcyclist, I don't know, was hit by lightning while riding his motorcycle on the interstate, which I don't know if it was like pouring rain or if it was just freak lightning or whatever, but holy shit, the guy got hit by lightning and died while riding his motorcycle. Think about that. Like, you're going like 80 miles an hour. How ridiculous it is that, like, bolt hit him and not like any of the other cars around him or the guardrails or power line or, you know, anything else around him. Why the motorcyclist? That just, it boggles me, dude. I saw that and I was just like, there's no way. I mean, it's one of those things that you think about. It's like, you know, everyone always says, you know, live in the moment, because, you know, your chance of dying at any one point for a freak accident or just anything is incredible. But you never think about getting hit by lightning on your motorcycle and crashing and dying. I mean, maybe you do. I've never thought about it. And I don't go out in the rain, so maybe my chances are higher. Maybe I am in the 1 in 100,000. I read that, I had to read it, the boldface, you know, the, whatever you want to call it, the article name or headline. I had to read it like 3 times to be like, what? Like, no. I honestly did not believe that was a thing, but I mean, it's definitely true. You know, live your life a second. Live your life a quarter mile at a time. Fast and the Furious proverbs, whatever. Scooter bro. Scooter bro on the wrong side of the road to start with. It boggled me, dude. Hello, lady. I mean, what bad luck karma did that guy have going for him that's how you die? And then if you look at it, I'll try and find a picture of it and like link it down below the description or the whatever actual news story. It was like they had a picture of his helmet, which was like cracked in the back, and I don't know if it was from him crashing or whatnot, but I'll try and find the link to it again. and, you know, put the picture in somewhere of his helmet and whatever, but it was just, it's, of all the things that I thought I would have been reading on the news today, it's definitely not that. It just goes along the crazy, like, fucked up stories you hear from Florida. Everything comes out of that state. Hey, driving a standard, good job, kid.